is a little. Is this? Yeah, this is end up. Yeah, 40 debs. I think it's fine. All right. Let's go. You do like to what do I like to Shopify.dev managed webhooks. I think this should be up. It's happening. Who's skedaddle? Okay. About webhooks, about managing webhook subscriptions. Where is the setting first? Oh yeah, that's what I got. So it has like okay. Also, I totally forgot to open up chat. I need chat too. We have chat like that. This is there. Okay. Topic secure. This goes. Yeah, I need to first. It may switch cases here. Okay. Write to pages API. Webhooks. Webhook topic.js. As a switch case state. So the question is, how do I actually need to ask Jeopardy? How do I write multiple into TOML when using what's the name? It's Ayana Akash. Why did it stop? Okay. Okay, so just pass it as an array pretty much. I think that makes sense. So no, not here. I can actually get into webhook title. This is config.webhooks equals dot subscriptions equals, what if I do like topics I URI delete, and we do this two, and this goes 3. This goes QoL ban dev TOML writer. Yep, that does the job. Okay, so essentially this is how you write multiple webhooks this way. So we have this sorted. webhooks a subscription, right? Now about this. Actually, let's just finish this. For const entry in shopify.user.webhooks. I think this is what I'm using. Shopify.user.webhooks. All right. Okay. User.webhooks. All right. So topics URL callback. Let subscriptions array equals this, and now for each of these entries, subscriptions array dot push topics shopify.user.webhooks entry dot topics URL, and we come to filters. So no filters just yet. And then when this is done, spread it out as subscriptions array. Shopify.js, let's add in another one, but products update, products create, products underscore update. I'm going to leave the callback as is. Let's not console log it. I know now what's in there. Filter, and what else was there? There was another thing. Approval scopes, there's some of key concentrations. No, I tweeted about it. I need to double check what actually was that. Managed. Oh no, it's on one of the levels. Include fields. Filter. Okay, not too bad. And then when I spread it out and do that, so my Shopify app.toml has this. Okay, so this works. Yeah, I'll also have to pull from the ANV. URI ends up. I'm not comfortable to do it this way. So this is cool. I know topics in URL have to exist. I can't actually put in null keyword, right? So include fields and filter, right? And then if this is the case, throw in the thing. Otherwise, throw in that, right? So include fields and filter, but does that let's ask Jupiter GBD. If filters slash include fields doesn't exist, I don't want that key to be pushed. Okay, so there's no. I was hoping to like do it without having to do that thing, but okay. So where's my Shopify.js? If I'm like, hey, include, I should probably also. Optional one. What if no? I mean, if you want to offload it somewhere, you know what? Let's actually add in two more orders and customers, right? In here, I have filters with like, I don't know, ID is anything, and with include fields, I have ID, first name. I mean, this is just test anyway, so I don't really care what the contents are. I just want to see. Yeah, it's working fine. Okay, that checks out. Okay, so from Shopify's end, I think we're Gucci. Now we need to create this. Ah, webhooks, product install. And now let's change these. Actually, this dot what is JS? JS dots with dot starts with, okay. If it starts with slash API slash, where is it gone? Slash API slash webhooks. Do this. Otherwise, so it should now be possible. Neat.com PS. Actually, also, what if you're using ARNs? Let's take that into consideration. Okay, if it starts with this, or if it starts with PubSub, or if it starts with ARN. Oh no, wait, I was correct. I was actually correct before. Okay. I was correct before, yeah. This is actually not even required. Yep, PubSub, ARN, and that works. I don't even know why I did that, but okay, I did that. Okay. Sorry, I'm just checking something on the side. Mm, okay. So now this is done. So that means so we are writing fine to the TOML. Okay. Now, const webhooks, Shopify user.webhooks. This is such a bad practice to like chain it like this, but I guess it's fine. This should probably throw an error. No, it's not throwing an error. That's weird. It should technically throw an error because. Hmm. Also, I should probably create these files before it starts. Let's see, webhooks. I don't know why I named it the way I did. Product install or JS, product install handler. Custom elements. And auto install.js, create webhook, auto install handler. Weird naming convention, but I guess it works. All right. So now all of you exist. Import custom or install handler, import autos install handler. I think all of you should now exist. Yes, all of you exist. Nice. Now, I need to take the call back and I need to pass it to the actual use case statement. For cons entry in shopify.user.webhooks, cons webhook equals shopify.user.webhooks, entry console.log webhook. Okay. Now you're a function, but what if I stringify you? I'm not getting the function. Okay. Well, time to ask GBD. Like, I just find it so convenient now to like, hey, GBD, just like get this done. Otherwise, it's sort of taking me like years to solve. All right, this is my function. Shopify.js, where this comes from, looks like this. The idea is I want to go through shopify.user.webhooks and write it to a different file while also importing the functions. So essentially, the Shopify.js should be written to process.cwd/pages/API/ webhooks slash webhook topics dot js as a JS. This is the base webhook topic file. When I run the function, it should import the callback functions into this file as is, and then create a new switch case between the comments that looks like this. Okay. Now this should be switch topic case app uninstall handler break. So yep, and let's see, products update, products create, product install handler, and now I should be able to just copy this 2 times, orders and customers, orders install handler, customer install. I think default, yeah, let's just console.log topic is missing handler topic. Note that this should auto import the necessary handlers, so I don't have to write them over and over again. Running the function would mean that it's also updating all eating the file. I mean, I'm hoping this just works in one shot, because if it does work in one shot, that means like a huge chunk is taken care of. If not, I'm gonna have to like do it manually, and I'm honestly not in a mood to do that. Okay. Path property must be of type string, got function. Oh yeah, there's no try catch here, which is weird. Made some changes by upping it in a try catch. It gives me this error. Oh yeah, I should modify. Sure, Jibity. I hate it when it just like stops in the middle, just like weirding out. Also, I don't know what I don't know about this, so I still need to make a bunch of changes to make sure like this works. Okay, GPT is broken. Let's redo that. Come on. Is my internet down or is it GPT? I think GPT is down. Okay, actually, let's see what the actual thing is. Uh, const handler name equals power base dogs. Actually, I have never even used path.base name, not.js. Ah, I see. So webhook.callback. Right. Yeah, this is a function, so you can't really do what GPT was trying to do. But can you do this? No, that just... I see. Is GPT down? Yeah, I think GPT is down. Or it could be my internet too. Okay, stop this. Reload without content blockers. Yep, it doesn't want to function. Okay. How to read name of the function in Node.js. Okay. So, webhook dot callback dot to string dot substr function length dot substr 0. Oh, this needs to. Oh, I can't do it in one shot. Okay. I can just copy this out. No, that's not what it does. Actually, what if I just pass it just for the lulz? Oh, it got this right? No, I think I already had this. Oh yeah, it did not get that right. Okay. It it absolutely did not get that right. Hmm. It's in fact doing the opposite of what I wanted to do. Yep. Ah, I'll have to do. Okay. Calling and call also substring is fucked. Okay. And that's jQuery. See, like this is empty, right? So you don't, but it works on Node and not in sub str JS. I think this was deprecated. So essentially, if I run fun.toString, all functions are nameless. So I can't actually use this in bun. Bun how to get current running function name. Ah, I see. But it works on Node. Life was simpler when, yeah. We have messed up. And of course, ChatGPT was also down. So you work here, but you don't want to work here. Okay, now you work. Okay, so you have something for me. App uninstalled. Did it just do this thing just literally I don't want the URL. I want the callback function name to be the import. Do a thing instead of treating it like an object. FS read from the file instead, so the entire thing is a string and it's easier to write. I think that would make sense because the way this is handling this entire yeah, I mean, like if it's made to be FS instead of whatever it's trying to do, that would like fix. Webhook entries, console.log, webhook. Nope, can't really rely on this. Yep. Instead, let's actually rewrite the whole thing. Okay, I have this file in process.cwd slash utils slash shopify.js. I have another file at process.cwd slash pages slash API slash webhooks slash webhook topic .js that looks like this. This is the correct one. This is the correct one. Now what needs to now we are writing a new function called write to API that does the following. That creates the webhook topic file. we are doing this step by step, so ensure you're sending me the previous entries to one. Bring over all the imports that start with webhooks and import them into webhook file as yeah, I mean doing this one by one should actually be the thing, and it breaks again. Jiggly, 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 jiggly. I wonder if it's my internet connection or if it's like an actual issue. Import path from path. My topics and scopes are here, which we also need to deal with in a second. Yep, GPT is out again. I actually okay. So the problem is I really don't want to write it myself because it's gonna be like way too much work, and I can like if I can have it prompt and then fix it, that's like way better. Yeah, I mean at least I have a webhook writer working, so at least I know like this works as completely as expected. But there's also the direct API access thing that I have to worry about. In my TOML access scopes, I also need to do the webhooks config. Wait, why do I have what? Okay. And 4. This becomes now step. In 4 or 1 and 23 set. 2023 10. We have dot privacy compliance. Oh God, how do I? Let's ask Claude. Hey, okay. This is my JS docs. I want to add in updates for the webhooks section. I have a new webhooks dot subscriptions in there now that needs to also be in the JS docs. Can you help me write that, please? All right, Claude, let's see what you're up to. Webhook config. I guess it wants me to add here webhook subscription. Topics is a string, which is correct. That goes on as yeah, looks about right. Oh, I should probably, do I have the prompt open? Yeah, I do have it open. Can I select? Oh, thank God. Okay. Claude, this is the thing. Let's see if Claude can actually figure this out. Okay, so I don't want you to write it for me. I want you to write me the function so I can auto write to file. All right. Huh, a sync. I guess I could keep it a sync and I wouldn't mind. Also a waiter. Actually, no, let's not a waiter. Oh, I hate this so much. Okay, so we don't know what the webhook handlers would be, so you will need to read it from the file instead of pre-defining it. I hope it catches it right. This is like, I genuinely do not want to write this manually, and I'm really hoping it just is like, hey, your word is the thing. Ah, Imagine GPT gets it right this time. Yeah, screw you. Huh. Which worked out really well. Okay, it's getting there. It is getting there. And these imports actually work. Okay, maybe there's hope. Maybe there's hope. Um, but if I run it again, and let's say I remove this, it adds the one that's missing. That's good. Amazing. And let's also stash changes, I guess. Git add, git commit. Amazing. Now, let's get on the switch case statement. In the webhook topic file, there's a comment. What I want you to do is to write a switch case statement like this. Switch topic case .js dot topic and callback function break. Okay, so I think doing it like one by one is like the way to go. Instead of giving it the entire thing and be like, hey, write it down for me. Oh, I hate when Safari does this. And it's crashed again. Hey, Goy, how you doing, mate? I am struggling. All right, write to API. Please work. Wow. Also, I would avoid using eval. What if I just use node and it works? Okay, thank God. Yeah, that's node's not gonna like this. Oh. But it didn't write anything. It's not writing anything just yet. Where is right to API? I know if I use one, it's just gonna work. Huh. Okay. That doesn't work either. But do you think? And it broke again. Okay, so I'm thinking I'll just write it myself, honestly, because going through this like so many times is just stupid and irritating at this point. That I genuinely do not want to like screw this. Yeah, I'm gonna like write this later. The good thing is we got the imports in. So like the imports. Why are you not working? Imports, no. Imports, why are you not working now? Oh wait, yeah, I deleted something that I shouldn't have. So the imports now work properly, which is nice. Uh, okay. Import handlers. Then what you want to do is you want to take the imports and then you want to write switch case statements. But now the thing is, because I have this already, can't I? Ah, you know that there's always going to be at least one import here. And so this gets you this, and you get to your Shopify app download. See, like, this is what I love, like, auto writing the entire TOML. I do not have to worry about this. But now I also have the problem of figuring out, oh god, I'm really trying to avoid writing the whole thing. I hate it. I hate every single second of it. How is actually I did tweet about it, so oh no, it's also here. Await authentic. Oh my god. I need to look into the remix app. No, oh my, I hate it so much. I hate it. I hate every single second of it. Shopify app.js, remix, app remix, src. This should be server side. Authenticate. Webhooks. Authenticate.webhook, right? Okay. API.webhooks.validate, which I think is what I'm doing. Yep. API.webhooks.validate, rawbody.request, check.valid. Cool. Webhook context. So then you pass that, if no session. Okay. Yeah, so I am doing the right thing. So dot valid. Now the question is, let's see, I write a switch on the topic case app uninstalled, app uninstall handler, topic shop. I guess. So yeah, I also need to like double check what's happening here. Route handle for why did this not update automatically? Now the question is if I want to write the entire thing by myself. Yeah, I think I'll just call it a day today here. Yeah, not in the mood to write anymore. It's irritating. All right, I'll see you guys later then.